You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce these names of Slavic origin, so Eastern Europe, Russian and other languages from Eastern Europe, meaning morning star or Venus, the planet. Slavic pronunciation is as Danika, Danika, Danika. Now, in English, it's usually pronounced more as Danika, so you can pronounce the A's with an A sound or a schwa sound, as in an sound, Danika, or Danika. It's up to you, depending on the family, the local accent, regional accent of the family or the person. How do you pronounce it yourself, Danika or Danika? Let us know in the comments. The Danika is more English pronunciation, Danika more Slavic, Russian. Stay tuned if you want to learn more. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.